Okay, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever in the world you're listening me from, greetings. And so in my previous video that I unboxed this juicer. I did mention that I would do a demonstration of how it works. So here I am now with, this is actually half pound of pineapple. And I'm just going to use this just as a tester to see exactly the performance, if it is as what they say. All right. So here we go. Turn on. I'm going to be loading the fruit. And as this is the first time I'm using it, I have to be, I'm not going to move as fast because I don't get the knockoff. So there we go now. That's the juice there. And this pineapple is very soft. It's a bit, that's the big chunky piece. It's taking a little time to go down, so I'm gonna have to stop it. And it means that hard part in the middle, you have to cut it a little fine, smaller and smaller pieces, because it's not going down. It's not going down. So it's half pound of pineapple. I will tell you the volume. Have you seen it? There it is. And this is the pulp. And I don't think it is as powerful as they say. This is very soft. I'm gonna be doing a carrot to see. All right. And let's see if the pulp is dry. We could get it out some more. It's a little bit wet. And we could use that to make some cake. We'll do a pineapple cake with that. Let's stop this. So I'm going to be doing 1 carrot to go with it. And I'm going to weigh this. Or what I'll do is just look and see the ounce that I get from the half pound of pineapple. So it's less than 6 ounces. It's 6 ounces I got from half pound. So it's 1.5 pounds of carrot and half pound of pineapple. So this is it. This is the carrot that I'm going to be juicing now. And I change the strainer. So this is the one that gives you more pulp. I want less pulp. So I'll see how this one works. So let's see. We're gonna see now what's gonna happen. I'm not getting any juice so far, so I don't know. I think I get more juice from the one that gives Just a little bit of juice. I'm gonna change. No, I'm gonna change it. And I don't see where I'm getting enough. I'm not satisfied with the juice that I'm getting. So I'm going to stop and change this. Change it. And I would think that this would give you more juice, but it doesn't seem so. So let's put this back. And I think I'm gonna be using those pulp to do cake because we can. All right, there you go. So let's see the difference. So sure. Let's see. There you go. I think I'm getting more juice. I don't think I'll do much juicing of carrot though, because I really don't know. I think I can put this in the blender or I redo this, because this is just I don't think it juices as it should. It's not fine enough where the carrot is concerned. Pineapple, yes, it's not bad, but no, I'm gonna have to put it in the blender and blend it over to get more juice. So yeah, I don't think it do well. Let's turn this off. I got 15. So out of the 1.5 pounds of carrot, I got 7 ounces. And half pound of pineapple gave me almost 6 ounces. I don't know if it is juice are not working as it should. However, this pulp, it's not dry enough for me. I think it should be a little bit. So this is it. I can easily use this and make some carrot cake, which is what I'm gonna do. So there it is. Thanks for watching. I've demonstrated the use. I am not 100% comfortable with how it worked. At least this is natural juice. It's no added fluid. So this is just straight. There is a pineapple at the bottom, and this is the carrot. So thank you very much. I'm gonna drink now. There's nothing in this but the plain, natural pineapple and carrot. No ginger, no lime. Very tasty. Try it.